Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set 23. Number 1. Capacity control of mobile refrigeration. Answer: reducing suction pressure. Number 2. Use of insulation on piping. Answer: to prevent refrigerant from picking up sensible heat. Number 3. Procedure to remove oil from ammonia evaporator strip leg. Answer: use plastic pipe into steel pail filled with water. Number 4. Acid test of oil in hermetic compressor is done by. Answer: after burnout. Number 5. Ammonia pipe 2-inch and less is. Answer: Schedule 80 black iron. Number 6. Procedure to mix brine solution. Answer: determine quantity of calcium chloride and add water and mix. Number 7. Temperature of brine solution used in ice rinks. Answer: 10 to 20 Fahrenheit. What to do on rooftop unit with latching diagnostic. Answer: determine problem, correct condition, reset microboard. Number 2. When removing refrigerant, what position are the system valves? Answer: mid position, mid seated. Number 3. On steam humidifier, to ensure space gets humidity, what are considered? Answer: duct design and distributor location. Number 4. If heat anticipator resistance is increased from 0.2 to 0.6, what happens? Answer: longer heating cycle. Number 5. Motor and compressor shaft with coupling is out of alignment. What to do? Answer: inspect motor bearing and shaft seal. Number 6. The proper procedure to evacuate system. Answer: evacuate to 250 microns and it cannot rise above 500 microns in 1 hour. Number 7. How to change submersible crankcase heater. Answer: and front seat suction service valve or SSV and pump down to 0 psig, disconnect power and close the DSV or discharge service valve. Share knowledge and help people. And remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Here's a link to my blog for the other sets that I have made videos on. Okay, cheers and have a good one.